Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to turn on your active status on Instagram. Enabling your active status lets your friends and followers know when you are online. So, let's get started on how to turn on your active status on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Then in the menu, tap on Show Activity Status. Tap on the toggle box next to Show Activity Status to turn it on. And that's how you can turn on active status on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.